I'm Blake, and this is Cassie.
And this is our bus Sedona. She's a 1998 Chevy G3500. So we ended up buying the bus when we were in college. We knew we wanted to find a cheap way to travel while we were there, and so we ended up buying this short school bus. We converted it while we were in school, while we were working. We tried to save up money and build it as cheaply as possible.
Our build took us about a year to do. We used mostly recycled materials to build it because we were on a strict budget. We were both college students and we didn't have much money or time. We spent about 12 grand altogether. That includes about pretty much everything we have in it, including the bus and all the materials. And we've been living in it for about 4 months now, and we love it.
So this is our couch. It was something we really knew we wanted in the bus because we really like hosting people. And we wanted somewhere more dedicated to work and to be able to sit and chill out instead of sitting on our bed or sitting on the floor, which we've seen people do. So that's why we wanted a bigger couch. We also wanted to be able to see out the windows, so we didn't want to cover those up. And the couch has been great because we were able to find these cushions from an old couch that I had. And so it was a lot easier than having to make our own, which is a lot less comfortable and more expensive. So our couch is great because it has a lot of different functions. Obviously it is a couch, but it also folds out to be a bed. So it folds out to be about a twin-size bed if we ever do have guests over. It also has all of our solar power and storage under it, so we can always fold it up if we ever need to get to that. And then it also turns into a table, which we can screw on if we ever do want somewhere to sit and eat or get work done.
Down here we got our electrical setup. We have our 400 amp hours of AGM batteries that go into our inverter. It's 2,000 watts. We also keep a bunch of random storage down here as well. Up on the roof we also have 300 watts of solar.
So this is our bed folded down. It's about a twin-size bed. We've had a few friends sleep on it, and I think they've enjoyed it a lot better than having to camp outside or sleep on the floor, so it makes a great guest-size bed. So the last feature of our couch is that we can turn it into a desk. All we do is flip up this pipe, and then our table is stored right under our bed, so we slide that out and twist it onto the pipe, and then we have a desk. So our favorite feature about our table is that we actually have a map, and this is where we've mapped out our journey, so we can see where we started in Ohio, and now we've gone all the way to Utah, and we've been able to map that out.
This is our bed. It's a standard queen size. It takes up pretty much all the area, but we have some extra storage around our headroom. We also got upper storage for all of our clothes. This is my side, Cassie's side's over here. So at our headrest, we have it on a slant so we can sit up in bed with our pillows. We also keep our dirty laundry all in here and some games and yoga mats on this side. We also have this under storage where we keep our toilet and all of our outdoor gear. It goes all the way to the back and we can fit a lot of stuff under there.
So this is our kitchen. We kind of pieced it together with a lot of homemade materials. First off, we have our pantry. This is where we store a lot of our dry food. Both of these were actually homemade by Blake's brother from the sticks out of Blake's backyard, which is really cool. Then we have this mini fridge. It stores about a week's worth of groceries, and it does have a freezer, which is really nice, so we can make smoothies and other stuff with our kitchen appliances. And then our countertop was actually made out of recycled pallet wood. We also have a butcher block that we cut from the pallet wood as well. When we built our kitchen, we wanted it to have a little bit of character to it, so we did add a little bit of extra accessories, like our mug holder right here. We also have a lot of plants that we took from home, so we made a little greenhouse in the back. Then we also have a spice rack right here since we do like to cook with a lot of spices. So this top drawer is where we have a lot of our kitchen utensils and plates. All of these also have kitchen utensils and accessories, and then down here is where we have our pots and pans, and this drawer actually comes out like a hinge. This is our water faucet. It runs right to this sink right here. We have 25 gallons of fresh water that goes to the water pump attached to the sink. And then down here we have a removable 5-gallon gray water tank. And the great thing about our faucet is that it also doubles as an outdoor shower, so we can put this outside if we ever did want to turn it on and get an outdoor shower. Alright, so here's the front of the bus. We obviously have the driver's seat, and then we did put in a passenger seat because we do like to sit together and kind of help each other navigate while we're driving. So this is an old junkyard seat that we installed. We also added a bookshelf and a hat rack because those are things that are pretty important to us. And then we have only 2 storage spots that came with the bus. The first is down there, the glove box, and then we also have this, which is a medicine cabinet.
We built this little shoe rack here. The only downfall to it is when we're on like real bumpy roads. We have a shoe avalanche down onto our stairs. But other than that, it's a great place to keep all our shoes. We painted the bus this blue color. It was an old white dingy color that we didn't like. We also made this drop down table outdoor to do some cooking on. It's just bolted through the bus. Pretty simple design. We knew we wanted to bring our dirt bike and bicycles with us, so we built this back deck that's welded to the chassis. My dad helped us weld it to that, and he built the frame of it and the decking and also this cool ramp that pulls out. Thanks for watching our tour video.
If you want to follow along with our journey, you can check out our website at blakeandcassie.com or follow along on YouTube or Instagram at Blake and Cassie. Hope to see you guys on the road!